seeing it come together now, it's quite something. It's quite something. So far we're very pleased. Some of the concepts, I mean, evolved right on the spot, and because we do this, try this, and then it really worked.
With artistic landscaping, we'll bring your beautiful dreams to life.
We got the berm in here. Happy about as well. We're just starting high-low. Be really excited about the walkway. It looks really sharp. Really pleased on that, and just finishing a transition area over on that side. You know, and this tree turned out really beautiful too.
So what I want you to do is just here. Just this corner here. Okay, get this piece in.
What's happened is we revived that tree, which was a little bit of a pain, but you know, we were going to take it out and put something else in there, and we revived that tree, and I'm really happy we did, because it really gives some nice privacy to the house and that. And now we'll put other bushes in the area around it to down right underneath the tree and underneath the tree there, which will give it a nice effect, you know, for sure. And then smaller plantings up along the walkway, more grasses, more drought resistant stuff that can handle the acidity of the soil, and also like thyme and moss plantings. They look really good.
So what I want you to do is just slide it over like that.
We had a very sort of vague but sort of a flowing idea and a plan, and it's interesting to see how it's all coming together. I think Pat had a vision that you know, we sort of trusted him in it, but seeing it come together now, it's quite something. It's quite something. So far we're very pleased. Some of the concepts, I mean, evolved right on the spot, and because we do this, try this, and then it really worked. It worked well. But that's a testament to Pat's experience and his vision in this particular field or area. It's beyond me for sure. Originally, as sort of conceived, it was going to be a more traditional flagstone, but then in sort of keeping with the sort of cut stone on the porch area and extending it out, it's worked really well. We're quite. My wife was a bit apprehensive at first, and she's very, very pleased with the way it's turned out now. Very, very pleased with that. And we're going to have a little other sort of like a flagstone footpath, more like footfalls along the outside, sort of tying it in. But I think that should work very, very well too.
Yeah, it's important.
Perfect, right there.
We'll be holding this way.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you three guys pulling, okay?
And far.
Okay, go ahead. You guys are pulling, okay? And we are holding this way so you don't fall. Yeah.